Well, on to the next. I no more dropped the equipment off and just started getting a feel for the land. I marked off the sprinklers. The client had a base map, so to speak, of where the sprinklers ran, so I hit it with some white paint. What we have going on is this area is going to get smoothed and leveled as best as possible. I can't change a hill, I can't change a fence, so we're going to work with what we have. The white lines are the sprinkler routes, to the best of my knowledge. As soon as I got here, I ordered a red hot rush of 6 yards of topsoil, and they were here within like 13 minutes. So it was like the Benny Hill show, running around crazy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of that dirt up through here, and my plan is to not do soil engagement on the hillside. That could open up a can of worms. What I want to do is dump some dirt up on the top, and then I'm gonna hand rake it down, maybe use the TR3. That's TBD right now. I haven't really done a side slope top dress, so you're going to watch me in real time work through that. There was an old stump here, took 2 scoops out, and hit a big root. Roots and irrigation, here we go. So I got the pickaxe, and I'm going to take out the little roots, but I had to use a front end loader for the big root. It was like that. Of course there's going to be root. Wanted to get the stump grindings out of here, dumped over in an outlot that we may or may not come back in forestry mulch. Stay tuned. Level all this, and then there's a spot just past those 2 trees behind me we're going to hit up, and then dump a little bit of dirt up against the fence way over there just to help build it up a little bit. So that's a quick rundown of what we got going on. Next thing we need to do is I want to, before we rototill this area, I want to address the slope of the hill with the topsoil and see what we can come up with. Then we're going to start rototilling, TR3 in, broadcast spreading, cultipacking, drilling in our seed. We'll be on to the next one. Okay, so we're up at the higher elevation. The other leveling is down at the lower elevation. There was a stump here. We scooped up some of the debris. This was an old depression from a stump 10-something years ago. So we brought in a little bit of dirt just to help kind of smooth this area out, level it out. We're going to till like a pie shape through here. I don't want to get too crazy. And then this we're going to fix up a little bit and try to smooth it out in between some of these trees. This is going to be a little bit more challenging with the slope, the elevation, and what we're working with. But we'll knock these 2 out real quick, and then we'll hit the big area down there. that happened quick. That's about all we were gonna do up here. That was our scope of work for up here. We'll come back, Cultipack TR3 seed fertilizer, Cultipack again to drill in the seed, and that will take care of, you know, these two troubled areas for the client. Next is, you know, the big area. Let's do it. All right, so this is the big area that we're going to start working. Irrigation box here, there's a sprinkler head right by the camera, and according to the map, I think it goes underneath the fence to the other side of the fence. And I say that because I saw one on the other side of the fence at the end, and there's one here, and usually they're in some sort of a line. And I don't see any sprinklers on this side, so a little nervous. We'll rake it, and we'll just do a hand work over here. Not a big area, but it's with the side slope with the irrigation, it's pretty technical, so it's gonna go slow. We're gonna do a great job. We just got to get it done. Well, she's graded up, graded out, graded smooth, graded just fine. But the only thing left to do is throw some seed down and then drill the seed in with the cultipacker, which will, you know, calm everything down a little bit. It is, you know, a little fluffy. That's okay. It's just air. One rain, the ridges, the ripples, ridges have ripples. They'll all be gone, and it'll be as smooth as can be. So let's hurry up. Let's get some seed on it, some fertilizer. Let's drill it in. Let's get on with the next one.